Today I'm going to draw first exercise how to draw the automobile wheel. Now first open the SolidWorks and create a new file and select a part file. This is our part file. Select a front plane or top plane, any one plane, front plane. Before going to start any geometry, any sketch, you must create a center line through the WCS coordinate system. This is the important thing. After that, select a y-axis. Now the both hatch lines are black color showing. That means both lines is joined. Now start a sketch. The sketch is like this. The sketch is like this. You are going to create. Using a line command, I drawn these lines. After creating a line command, every line you must be constrain it. Whatever they having a degree of freedom, all degree of freedom you are going to constrain. Now select a smart dimension. With the help of smart dimensions, I am going to constrain it. Now 25.4 mm. Now what is the angle of this? 17.5. Now from here to here, (206.9). 206.9. Drag it. Now from this line to this line, 15 degrees. From this point to this point, 7.62. This all three lines is constrained. Next, select a line, draw a suitable standard dimensions of automobile wheel. Now whatever the remaining line, we are going to constrain it. 12.6. 7.86. 8.09. Take CAD relation. This line, both lines are collinear. After that, take a dimension of this line to this line, 7.62. Now from this line to this line, the distance is 96.8. The sketch is like this. Take these two are parallel. This line and this line. Both lines are parallel. This line and this line parallel. Right, both are parallel. Now whatever the shape of right side, same side. For that, left side also same thing. For that, I am going to select mirror entities. Select this line and this line and this line about axis. Mirror about the axis. Okay, I got this shape. I am going to join this line, you are going to join, and this line you are going to join to here. Now I got a closed boundary. After finishing up this sketch, I am going to convert this 2-dimensional sketch, I am going to convert as a 3 dimension. Select it, finish the sketch, or maybe exit the sketch. After that, we are going to take a revolve boss base. Select a revolve boss base. Select the axis. Here asking axis of revolution. Select the axis of revolution and open the selected contour. This is the my closed contour system, and OK. Now I got a closed boundary. After that, I am going to select a right plane. In this right plane, I am going to create a sketch of circle of this center. Now select the dimension 121.9. Now finish the sketch and extrude this geometry with this direction. Be careful, this direction you are going to extrude 50.8. OK. Now select this inner portion of the body. You are going to, not inner portion of the body, outer portion of the body. You are going to select this face. Select the sketch, space bar, normal to. Now you are going to create a center line of this body. Center line of this body. Center line of this body. Select, but this line is not joining. Go to add relation. This line and this point coincident. Now both line is showing the black color. It's not showing the black color. Be careful. Once again, take this line. Take this line and this point coincident. OK, but looking like it's not joined. But once again, I'm deleting this. Go to the axis line. Now it's OK. It's showing a black color. After that, take a line. Here we required slots. For that, I'm going to create a sketch. From this exactly another one, this point, you are going to select this point and select this point. OK. Now you are going to create a dimension from this line to this line. The angle is 76. So from this axis to this 36, exactly middle. Now from this point to this, we are going to take 7.62. From this point to this, already joined. There is no, that is take better, not 7.62, 12.7. After that, now it's showing a black color, but I don't have the closed boundary. If you are seeing I don't have closed boundary, for that I am going to take one curve from this point to this point, select entities, go to this curve. Now go to add relation. From this line, this arc to this arc, both are horizontal. Exactly, you will get the radius of this body. Now I have the closed boundary. This portion I am going to remove the material. For that purpose, I am going to do. This is the hub. In hub only, I am going to creating a rims. Actually, I have the 4 rims. For that, I created this sketch. Now go to extrude cut. Select extrude cut. Select this closed boundary. Now both directions, the direction value you are going to increase it. Select both directions. of the body. Okay, I got this. Now these same slots I am going to create another 4 parts. For that I am going to use pattern. Insert pattern, circular pattern. But here I don't have axis, a center axis. For that view show temporary axis, select temporary axis. Now I got a temporary axis. Now here you are going to select a temporary axis. Five, I want a five parts. I'm going to trim it as 5 parts. Now which part I am going to take a pattern? The cut extrude. Select a cut extrude here. Got a cut extrude and OK. Now the portion is trimmed. This is I got a rims. For that only I created before sketch. Now here this portion, select the sketch, create another one body and select it, take a dimension of this, whatever the 84. Now take a extrude. How much extrude? I want to extrude only small portion. Only 10 mm. 10 mm you are going to extrude it. Not extrude. Extrude cut. Now have extrude cut. Select 10 mm extrude cut. 10 mm. After that, select a fillet. Chamfer, not fillet, chamfer. Select this corner. Same 10 mm of fillet. I am going to take 45 degrees. Okay. I got a fillet portion. This is my automobile V. Suppose you want to take any holes, you can create a hole, holes also. Thank you.